What are you doing? You out here working on your shit? I saw it last night. Your hatch was open. I kept thinking, fuck, I'm gonna hit him up, but I figured you knew it was open.
What? What's up, dude?
Shit, I didn't see you. Shadow.
How you been, man?
Good. How you doing? Good. What are you doing over there?
Do you think this would be sleep worthy? No.
I know. He goes, I don't think I know it. God damn.
See this? Yeah. Been sleeping on it for about a month now.
You back in the military?
I know, right?
Do you think the military had a small part of why you're okay with it? Have you ever thought of that?
I'm sure.
I mean, you did sleep in a tent or a cot for how long?
Bosnia for a year and Gulf for 7 months.
Yeah, they don't have they don't have Tempur-Pedic mattresses.
Wherever I was.
It's full of drive.
Another thing, if I decide that I'm going to push it a little further, I'll probably change the terms. I've already got a rapid deflate and compressor to air things up. So I can put the tire pressure.
You put that in there yourself? You put that in yourself?
Yeah.
Nice. But where do you think you'll go? Up to Montana, all kinds of places?
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, no, I'm definitely looking to try to basically get out in the middle of nowhere, mountains, or be able to land out in the middle. It gets hot, find a different place. If it gets too cold, find a different place. If it's too no, I haven't quit yet. This is going with you?
Right? Hope I'm saying shit right. I'm over here like, wait a minute, I'm talking. I don't even know if I know this shit.
He should have got himself a damn excursion.
No, I got what I got.
Yourself an excursion, big old diesel excursion.
No.
What do you know?
What basically the bottom line is that I'm working with what I got. I'm not going to buy anything else. I'm working with what I got.
That was the objective from the beginning. So you already have this car.
Yeah, I bought this in.
I've never seen it. I didn't know.
I bought this in 2012. Right there, StoopsThereItIs.com. Stoops, there it is. That's my website, StoopsThereItIs.com. I got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. All StoopsThereItIs. When this is in there as is, it only sits up about that. Which gives me plenty of what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise it up about 6 inches and then put it on top. And I'm going to have a 5 1/2 inch drawer that's going to run underneath. Yeah.
We're playing like showering in truck self-saving on there and stuff like that.
I've got a membership at Anytime Fitness. I've actually got a portable shower that I can use when I'm I've got that, which is Jackery, portable battery, and Jackery for any power that I'm using. Throw the solar panels up if it's loud. There you go.
Well, he has. Like the first time I heard him say this shit, I was like, "It's fucking."
I'm asking all the questions that everybody's already asking.
That's what I told him when he first told me this shit. I was like, "Dude, you're fucking nuts, bro."
Well, you know it's just normal to just ask all those questions.
The problem is, though,
Because when you look at this,
you're like, what the fuck is your plan, you know?
Well, no,
Yeah,
he's
bro,
a
like,
fucking-
what is your plan?
You gotta answer for every question. That's how you know he's really thought it through. You know, some
For
people,
over a year.
yeah, some people are like, they do this and they're like, you know, they say they want to do it, but you ask the question,
And they're always full of shit.
they're like,
well, I haven't thought about that.
oh, he's got an answer for everything. But, like, I just stop. I'm like, yeah, you got
Scoops there.
Stupid. Yeah. It's a mountain man vehicle, dude. I figure, I mean, with the profile, I mean, you get just about anywhere I can go. I only
How far
think-
out you trying to check?
whatever.
I mean, I can go.
You can
A
not go to
minimum
Alaska or
of
something?
4 or 5. Well, yeah, but I can't get to Canada. Right.
Really?
Yeah. It's the border of Canada. Canadian border close.
Oh. Otherwise, you would.
Oh. That is my plan.
You give your job 2 weeks notice, you just fucking roll.
I'm gonna talk. There's a possibility. I'm not sure. My job's one. If I needed to, but I could probably negotiate it. Not well. I mean, I can do it remote. I think it's part of it. But what I was thinking was, there are people who like to take time off or whatever, and if I'm in the area or if I'm close enough where I can head back, I could actually just come back and work. I'm gonna talk to them. If it works out that way, great.
You're gonna meet a lot of interesting people.
Oh yeah, I actually already have online. I mean, not in person, but planning on linking up with people who are
Same
living
thing.
that lifestyle. Yeah, doing the same thing.
I'll help out.
Oh yeah, especially with the little things that I probably didn't think of.
There's always something you're gonna forget.
No, absolutely. There's always either forget or didn't know I needed.
Yeah.
I never even knew that. But I've done so much research, so many things. Yeah, I've got a freaking chainsaw. It's not an actual chainsaw. It's a hand chainsaw. Straps that you can put around the wall about that big or smaller. And it's got a dual blade, so it cuts
Like an Amish
in
man.
half the time. Yeah, I can fucking load as much firewood as I need on that rack up there. Wherever I am, I can build a fire.
Cool plastic clips.
Yeah, 150 a clip.
And see, but most people don't know that it's that easy. You know, some people think, oh my god, I gotta pull the whole fucking car apart and pull the wheels off. Jesus me.
I know it's kind of
I
ironic.
didn't know you had a cigarette.
Well, it's actually a charger specifically, and it's dedicated.
Oh, okay.
It's dedicated, so it will be even if the ignition's off.
If you try to ask me a question, try.
Please research. I'm not just looking at the pamphlet.
No, I know that. I'm saying, but have you tried them? I'm telling you, you can try. I tried.
Where did you put the screwdriver? In here?
You just gotta push it down far enough. You gotta push it down
That right there?
Yeah, real hard. Like, want some JBLs, dude.
Hey, at least he plays it before he puts all that together.
That's true, actually. I am so bad.
I
I
am
put it all
so bad.
together and it's like, fuck. This speaker doesn't work.
I think I heard that one first time.
They work.
It's not vibrating annoyingly, that's for sure. That's all I need.
JBLs.